Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to set up payments in your Shopify store. So I'm already here in my Shopify store here, and you're just going to want to click on the bottom left here, settings, and then you're going to click on payments here on the left side menu. Click on there, and then for me, I already have it set up, but for you, it's probably going to look something like this. There should be a black button here that says something like activate payments or something, and then like what's happened in this store here, you might have to come back a day or two later and upload some more documents. But basically you just click on this button, verify your identity. They're going to ask you if you're setting up the store as an individual or a business, and it doesn't matter, you can change that later. So if you don't have all your business paperwork set up, you can just set it up as an individual first, change it later, no problem. And that's pretty much all there is to it. All right, thank you.